Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can join Still and Brainrot Discord server, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to search your Still a Brainrot game straight Still STEAL. So here actually you will able to see the suggestion. You just need to select this one. Once you come over here, then you will get to see that one. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you just need to wait a bit to completely load in your display. Once it's done, you just need to be scroll down and you will find out the social links. From that place you can follow them on X, it means the Twitter, former Twitter, and then you can subscribe them onto the YouTube, or if you want to associated with their community by using Discord, you can go with that panel. Just click over here, join our Discord, and it will give you whole procedure. And now you can see it already been done. Now you can easily accept this one. When you will accept, then you will get eventually this kind of a things. You can click on escape, then you can read whole things and just click to the finish. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was. Let's give you a recap. Again, you just need to click on this one, join our community, and then click to this one. Then you will get this one. You just need to click on accept as it, and you will be accepted in here, and you already been added in that place. So the process is really simple. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.